dug under an area of nice bark, or even under the gravel. Well, the gravel might. That's called, they use a big word for it, it's called mycorrhizal mushrooms. Chanterelles, boletes, those big red ones, the fly amanitas that have white spots on them, all of those are cast under the soil to tree roots. They could not grow without a tree of the right kind present. In the palm of your hand, you could hold miles and miles of mushroom mycelia. The trees are all green, they're photosynthesizing, they're making sugars and starches. They're sharing that with the fungus. So it's a mutualism, it's a kind of an exchange where both parties, the tree and the fungus that are hooked together, are both benefiting from that relationship. Symbiosis, you might have heard that word, means living together. Mutualism is a kind of symbiosis, the honey mushrooms that grow back there. Here we don't. Why is that? It's because we're just learning there's actually at least 10 different species of honey mushroom.
Yeah, but I mean there's lots of different things.
Things living together. In this case, it's a little wasps that find the oak tree.
Let's see what you got here. I'm gonna pick one. Remember, it's like picking an apple off an apple tree, right? I'm not hurting the mycelium, those little fibers are underneath there. There might even, oh, there's some under your foot, I think. No. Mushrooms, the little white fiber sticking out is some of that little fungal mycelium. Ooh, do you get a smell off that? Oh, look at that. Yeah. It's a stearium, which is a saprophytic mushroom, and I talked about those saprophytes that break down stuff on the ground. They also grow on wood, and they break down the wood too. So this one is breaking down what appears to be a kind of dead branch of an oak tree. The stearium.
I don't understand.
This is often what we see on our mushroom walks along here, these little tiny saprophytic mushrooms. This, he didn't pick this. Generically, generally, we call them turkey beans.